Hello, friends, and here's a quick video on 3 Canvas hacks that I've been using lately to help me with my coursework. Um, the first one is a new feature that WSU has turned on. They've activated, and they showed some of us how to use it, and I'm here to share it with you now. And that is a feature called Direct Share. Now, previously, if you wanted to copy something from one course to another, you might have to run a full course export or copy an individual module. Now, Canvas has added the feature where you can just take an individual item. So, an item would include something like a Canvas page, a Canvas assignment, a Canvas discussion, or a Canvas quiz. So, if we want to go ahead and do that, I have to be in one of my courses. Now, I will point out that you can't access this feature from the modules view. So let's say I wanted to copy something out of this Scratch Online class module here. You'll notice if I click on those 3 dots, I do not get the copy to feature. In order to get that, I have to go to the kind of page this is. So these top 2, I can tell by these icons, these are pages. With this little conversation bubble, I can see this is a discussion. If I want to copy a page, I need to navigate in the course navigation bar to the pages. So let's go to pages here. And then if this is showing me the front page. Let me click View All Pages, and then I'll find that page. We could just sort this by creation because I just created those pages. And let's say I want to copy this coding with Scratch page. Maybe I want to I'm going to click on these 3 dots. And if I want to copy to an existing course, I can just go ahead and click Copy To. And it's going to give me a list of my favorite courses here. So I can go to, maybe I'm going to copy it into, let's say 3116, and I can further specify what module that's going to go to, and I can even say where in the module, maybe after coding with Scratch. And this actually, that page is already there, but I could just click copy, and now it has confirmed that that has been successful. Now I would close this, and let's say I wanted to copy another page, I would go ahead and click those 3 dots. So that's one option. Let's pretend, so that was in the case that I was copying this to my own course, but let's say that one of my colleagues is teaching another section of a course and we want to share something. Instead of copying it, I can use this Send To feature. So let's say I'm going to go to Send To, and maybe I know that Dr. Stewart is going to be doing this, so maybe I type in P. Stewart, and there's Dr. Stewart, and then I can send this. I won't actually send this to her because she probably won't need it since she's not teaching this. But if you do send it to someone, you would access it under your account. So if someone had sent me something, I'd go to Account, and then I'd see I'd click on this Shared Content, and I would see whatever that item that was sent to me. I would be able to access it here. The next feature I'm going to point out is when you're not sure what to do in Canvas, you might reach out to WSU Online. You might reach out to one of your department colleagues. But if you just want to try to get help on your own, know that on the global navigation bar, this purple one, this help icon is here. If you go ahead and click on that and type on Search the Canvas Guides, I can search something here. So maybe if I was looking for more instructions on direct share, I could type direct share in, hit enter, and now I have many items how to do a direct share. Another way we can navigate this, so I'm just going to come back to Canvas. If I click Search the Canvas Guides, I can also click on Canvas Guides and Instructor Guide. This is a lot of clicking, but now I have an alphabetical list of all the major features. So maybe I have a question about setting up discussions. I could go ahead and click on Discussions and look through this list to see if there's something that I'm looking for. Okay, so that is the second hack. And the final hack for this video, this might not be super useful, but I find myself having to do a lot of clicking in Canvas to get back where I want. And so I've added a bookmark. So here's my dashboard. So if I click on that, that will take me back to my dashboard. I can even go ahead and set a bookmark for the home page of a course. So if I'm going into this course often, I might just click a star on this and I'll tell it to put it on the bookmarks bar. I do want it to be a short link, and I'll point out I am working in the Chrome web browser. I don't want all of this on my shortcut bar, so maybe I'm just going to put 3116. So this way it will be a little shorter. I'll click done. You'll notice it didn't pop on the bookmark bar there yet, but it actually is the bottom of the list. But I can drag that up over here. So now I have a shortcut for my 3116 class. And so I can go right from the dashboard to 3116. This can be helpful when you're kind of nested deep in a course and you want to jump back to the front page. To review that one more time, I'll add one for another class. So here's my EDUC 3117. I'm going to click on this star. I'm going to edit this name so it's a little shorter. So it's just 3117. Okay. It's in my bookmarks bar, but it's at the bottom, and I'll move that up there. So now I have two of my courses. I can jump from one course to the next.